Hello everybody, it's Cranky here, and today we've got another round heavy bodied lock padlock. This is a Marksman lock. You can see, oh, there I am. Hello. Here's the packaging. So I got this on eBay. It was only a few pounds, so it was about £3 something, and then with delivery it were about £5 or £6 in total. So you know, the phrase, you get what you pay for comes to mind. And yeah, I got it really because I, always really wanted some of these in my collection. You know, I've got the American one, which obviously is a lot better quality. So I saw this and I thought, oh, because we don't often see these in the UK. And with it only being a few pound, I thought, well, at least, you know, something there. So, one of the, as you can tell, with it being a few pound, there's quite a few things that are against it, really. It is a, what looks like would be an American keyway, I believe. You know, it's got a nice clasp to it, nice click. The American key does fit in. Yeah, that's the bitting. But, I mean, other than picking, there's quite a few ways to get into it, as I'm going to show you. So, we thought, right, I'll try raking first, or using my city rake. So, we give that a go. Oh. There we are, that opened. There's also, I thought, oh, shimming, because I mean, you can see there's quite a gap there. So, got a padlock shim, straight away, just one side, done. What was it? Oh, but, you know, you see people hitting them. So again, one hit, done. You know, another thing, I thought I'd get a piece of metal, or get your tool, again down the gap, stick it in, again, open, and I thought, well, could you just, you know, hit it, you know, you don't want to be suspicious going around carrying a hammer, but I mean, if you walk up to a padlock and, you know, give it a smack, there you are, do it again. And it opens. So yeah, there's quite a few things going against this Marksman lock. I'll show you the inside, because it does, just move all this stuff out of the way. You can see it is, the lock is quite wobbly in there. Let's quickly take it apart and show you. So get all the innards out. I mean, look, it's really rusty in there. So whether this is, you know, old stock that somebody's got hold of and sold on eBay, but again, like I say, you know, three quid, you know, £5 or £6 in total. But I can't open it, you know, take the pins out, because it won't come out. I thought, is it crimped? But it's not crimped. You know, I've tried, and you know, it won't come out. It won't turn past like a quarter. But when you turn it, you hear a click. I don't know if you'll hear this or not. There. So it's almost like, because when you turn there, you can see there's a hole. So I'm wondering if the pins drop down into like an opening, and that's what stops it, and then go back up then for you to take the key. But anyway, that's everything. And there we are, yeah, the Marksman 65mm Padlock. Security essentials, everybody. Yep. You know, came with 3 keys, brilliant. No rating, I mean, I'm not surprised, but, you know, and there we are for a few quid. What can you say? It'll look good on a shelf. So, there we are. Just a quick one. Alright, everybody, take care. Enjoy your bank holiday weekend. For those of you in the UK and everywhere else, enjoy yourselves, and I will see you all again soon. Bye-bye.